Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Jovel V. Oxenia. I will be 37 this coming July. I have two kids, a girl and a boy. I have work experience as domestic worker in two countries. The first one is in Kuwait. I worked there for 2 years and 1 month. My work there are cleaning and washing, ironing, and also taking care my madam. They have 6 siblings in the family, and they are all elderly people. And my madam is the eldest. And my second one is in Saudi Arabia. There are 4 members in the family, a mother and 3 daughters. My work there are all around, such as cooking, washing and ironing, cleaning, taking care of their pet dogs, and also taking care of the youngest. To my future employer, Sir, Madam, if you choose me as your domestic worker, you can expect from me that I'm trustworthy, patient, hardworking, and also I will follow your rules. Thank you and have a good day. God bless.